friends, welcome to my channel Lizzie Teacher's Cooking World. Today I have come with the recipe of candied orange peels. Now Christmas is approaching and there have been requests from many of my friends to put the recipe of plum cake. Now raisins, the dry fruits, cashew nuts, tutti frutti all are available, but sometimes these candied orange peels are not readily available in many places. So as it is, I wanted to make plum cake. I thought, let me make candied orange peels and I will show you all also how to make it. Now for that I have taken the peels of 1 kg oranges. Now first what I have to do is I have to remove the white of the orange peels. You don't take the white, you have to scrape the white from the skin. So you can use a spoon and scrape it nicely. So how to scrape? You must not put the white of it because it will become bitter. Now all the peels I will be doing it like this. I will be removing the white part of it. Now I have removed all the white parts of the peel using a scraper, a spoon, whichever way you can remove according to your convenience. Now we will go to the kitchen because we have to boil this in water and throw the water. Strain it 3 times so that whatever bitter taste is there in the peels will be not there. So now let us go to the kitchen. Now I'll keep little water in a vessel and on the gas and wait for this to boil. When it boils, I will add the orange peels into it. Now the water is boiling, so I will add the orange peels into the boiling water and I will let it boil for some time. I will just stir this and see that it boils nicely. Now the orange peels have boiled in the water for some time. Now I will strain I'll off the gas and I will strain the water. I'll wash it. And once again I will strain it. Now I'll keep again water on the gas and I will once again make the water boil. This I will repeat 3 times until all the bitterness of the peels will be removed. So now once again I will wait for this to boil. I'll put the peels, I'll wash the peels and the third time also I will be doing it. Now I have put the peels in boiling water and strained it, and I repeated the process 3 times. Now I will take the peels and I will cut into small pieces. It is easy to cut after it is boiled, not very small pieces. Now I have cut all the orange peels into small pieces. Now we will go to the kitchen to make candied orange peels. I will show you all how to make candied orange peels. For that, the sugar, if I am taking 1 cup of sugar, then I have to take half cup of water. But I am taking 2 cups of sugar because it's a small cup. I am taking 2 cups of sugar and I'll be adding 1 cup of water. Now I'll on the gas and I will make the sugar dissolve in the water. And once the syrup is formed, I will put the orange peels into the syrup. I'll make the sugar dissolve in water. So once again I repeat, if you are taking 1 cup of sugar, then you have to take half cup of water. If you are taking 2 cups of sugar, then you have to take 1 cup of water. I have used a small cup. I have taken 2 cups of sugar, and this is 1 kg orange peels. Like I had bought 1 kg oranges, and these are the peels of 1 kg oranges. So for that we need, you all can use according to how sweet you all want. You all can reduce the sugar or increase the sugar, but remember the quantity of sugar is to water should be 2:1, means 2 cups of sugar then 1 cup of water. Now it is starting to dissolve. Now the sugar is dissolved. Now I will put the orange peels into the sugar syrup and saute it till it becomes thickened. The syrup should get thickened and these peels should absorb the sugar and get cooked in the sugar syrup. See, now the water has evaporated and the sugar syrup has started to thicken. It has to be little more dry. Little more water has to be dried so that our candied orange peels will be ready. I'll wait for some more time, and it need not be very dry because when it cools the orange peels will absorb the sugar syrup and it becomes little dry. So but little more time I have to wait. Now these peels have become very sweet in the sugar syrup and it tastes very good. And if you add this is a must in a plum cake. Now our candied orange peels are ready. I will off the gas. Now when this cools, it will become little more dry. If I saute this for more time, the sugar syrup will thicken and you will not get the candied orange peels as you want. Now I'll saute this for a little more time. It will become very dry. Now and then this I will store it in a clean glass bottle when this cools. Now I have taken this in a plate. You all saw our candied orange peels are ready, and I can store this in a glass bottle and use it when I make plum cake. Now you all learned how to make candied orange peels, and I'll be soon uploading how to make plum cake, and I'll be adding these candied orange peels. It gives a very taste to the plum cake. So you'll get ready to make the plum cake. Make the peels ready. If you all have got it from the market, then well and good, no problem. But if it is difficult to get these candied orange peels, then do make it at home, and don't forget to write your comments in the comment box. If you are watching my video for the first time, do subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell button. Until I come with some exciting recipe, goodbye. Thank you.